Good morning all, my name is Rudraksh Singh Shekhawat and I got recommended from 22 SSB Bhopal for NDA 155 course Army entry.
So my name is Aditya Singh Rathore. I recently got recommended from 22 SSB Bhopal for my NDA entry, and I have come here in the month of June for my course of the SSB.
So I joined Invicta Academy for my SSB coaching. Here I got the guidance of all three assessors and also met new candidates with same mindset for SSB. If we talk about GTO, Vardhan sir helped me in all the GTO tasks, especially in individual obstacles. Sir told me how to plan your exercise before going in the individual obstacle in PGT also, and also sir told me how to tackle the GD and how to speak in the lecturate. Talking about psych, Rishi sir helped me in psychology, as also sir told me to write the psychology test and TAT in detail and overview about the how the testing is being conducted. If we talk about the interview, sir helped me in bringing up the communication skills, sitting posture, and also bringing up the liveliness in the interview, which helped me a lot in SSB. Thank you.
So yeah, I have come here in the month of the June to get the entire overview of the SSB procedure, and the moment I have come here, I get to know about the SSB techniques, like how the candidates are assessed on the basis of their 15 OLQs. Then as far as all the three techniques are concerned and all the three assessors are concerned, for taking the concern of the GTO sir, like Vardhan sir has given me some of the tricks of the outdoor tasks like PGTs, HGT, and what are the things I should do, where I should be ahead of the PGT tasks, where I should be helping my subordinates and all these techniques. And as far as the interview is concerned, Rocky sir has helped me to be in my original body language and to be confident in whatever the question I am answering.
So talking about my experience, in my experience the PPDT was great. I enjoyed the picture shown to us, and also in the OIR test we got 2 OIR test of first of set 40 and another of set 50. In all that we performed very well. If we talk about psych, all the picture were neutral, some were negative, some were positive, and in the VAT also there were 60 words in which all the words were neutral, if I would say.
Talking about my experience, like my welcome was done by the rain. We were welcomed by the very heavy rain, and then we were introduced by the screening process. Talking about my OIR, I got DIPR 74 and 75 OIR. I did it absolutely well in that. After that, we were sent to that Karyappa hall for my screening process. Then we were shown a picture, and we have made a wonderful story of that when we were divided in the group of 14 to 15 people, and we have done the screening process, and the level of uncertainty that screening process contains, that cannot be expressed in the words. Then we were like, the experiments were going on with our batches. So our psych test was conducted on the same day.
Yes.
Like we have freed after 4 o'clock, then they told me your psych test will be conducted after like 5 p.m. onwards.
So talking about my GTO, in my GTO we first conducted our PGT and 7 tasks were done in the first day, and the rest of them were done in GTO 2. The individual obstacle was good. In the SSB there are individual obstacle are much higher in the height. And if we talk about the PGT and interviews was also good. My interview was conducted on the first day of the GTO itself, and my conference was done on the 5th day, but on 4th day our SSB didn't have anything because we had a 4-day SSB procedure.
So talking about my SSB, like my SSB conducted only on the day 3. My interview was held on the GTO day 2. The moment I got free from the GTO day 2, I was called for my interview. Then my interview was taken by the deputy president, and my interview went very well. And after that, on the 4th day, we were like very free. And our conference, as he said earlier, my conference held on the 5th day only. As the experiments were going in the Bhopal, sir, entire procedure is only of the 4th days. And talking about my GTO task, my GTO task was very well, and we have really enjoyed that doing that task. All the PGTs and NGT were kind of similar, which we have seen in the Invictas and all that, and so I have enjoyed every sort of thing which is present there.
So talking about my interview, in my interview there were no CIQ asked. My interview was basically conducted for 30 minutes, and some questions were related to physics and mathematics also, and generally about my lifestyle, my parents, and what the education background I have got.
And talking about my interview, as my interview was conducted for a period of around 40 to 45 minutes. As I have mentioned earlier, my interview was taken by the deputy president. So firstly, he made me comfortable and asked me to CIQs continuously based on my education and family background. After that, he was interested to know about my grades and whatever I have achieved till now. Then he was like little bit of interested in knowing why I wanted to join the army. And then he was also giving me some situation like, if I do not make it this time, what will happen, and what are the things I have enjoyed here, and how do I rate myself in the techniques of all the three. So these kind of questions were asked on my interview. Very sure, Rudraksh, we'll definitely meet in the academy, and we'll see you as a decorated officer in the army.
Thank you.
We both will meet as an officer.
Yes.
And we
both recommend you
Invicta for this journey, which you will see here, and you get the entire procedure of the SSB, and you will definitely come out with flying colors.